What are you doing, Sasha? Sasha, what are you doing? Are you trying to sneak on my chair? Are you trying to sneak on my chair? Come here. Sasha. Sasha. Peek your head down. There you go. What's going on, Sash? Where are you? Are you stuck? You need some help? Sasha. Sasha. Come here. Sasha, come here. Are you stuck? Huh? You need some help? Yeah, make your way over, girl. Yeah, use them wings. You can't fit through there. You're too fat. Come on. Come on. You need some help? You got yourself in a predicament, didn't you? Did you get yourself in a predicament? Come on. You getting tired? Go back and then you can step up. Oh, you did it. Look at you. Look at you. Aren't you just a smart girl? Are you on my chair? Are you on my chair?